Did all the interior lights on your 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3 just stop working? Well, don't worry, the problem is very likely just a bad fuse, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Now, right where the driver's left foot would go, right over there, that's the primary hood release lever, so pull that. Now, in front of the vehicle, right on top of the emblem over there, right there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. Let's see how it works. You put one finger in there and then push it right. So, lift up the hood, put one finger in there, push it right, and the hood opens up. All right, now this one requires a prop rod, so we gotta get the prop rod in that slot over there. So get the prop rod out, put the rod in the slot over there, and then pull the rod back a little bit to secure it in place. Yep, just like that. Now it's good. Now once the hood is open right there behind the battery, that's the fuse box over there. Yep. In order to get it off, press one clip in the back. So press that and then lift up the cover. Now there's a hinge that keeps that cover in place, so you're gonna have to wiggle that cover a little bit, lift it and wiggle it, and it'll come right out. It's gonna take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. Yep, just like that. Now once the cover is off, if you look underneath it, that's where the fuse puller is, and that's where all the spare fuses are as well. So get that fuse puller, the white fuse puller, out. Now if you look at the fuse diagram underneath the cover, right there in the middle, 40 20 20, we're looking for room. That's the room 15 amp right there. That's the blue fuse for it. What we're going to do, we're going to get that fuse puller, and then we're going to get that 15 amp room fuse out. When you get the fuse out, if it looks like the fuse on the top left corner, like the broken in the middle one, then it's a bad fuse. If the middle part, the metal is not broken, then it's a good fuse. If the fuse is bad, then it's good because we have a spare fuse. So we're going to get the spare fuse, right? And we'll get the fuse in there, push it in, the lights are back on, and that's it. Now to close the hood, push the hood up a little bit, take the rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. That's pretty much it.